Here's the interior of the trailer with the actual pressure washer unit. Here we have the information, man, North Star proven performance, Northern Tool and Equipment, Minnesota, item number, serial number. If we can get a focus here. Got your connections, battery, hot water tank, I think we need a battery, but it'll be fully tested in an updated video soon. Got your pressure washer hose and your garden hose roll. You got a garden hose. So if you're interested in just the pressure washer unit itself, make an offer. If you want the whole trailer and pressure washer, everything, make an offer. It's all negotiable, of course. Won't accept any reasonable offers, send them my way. So the trailer's a Patriot Homesteader 2-inch ball, single axle. Model number 612 PS. That info. Yeah. Homesteader, data manufacturer 2012. Tire type. Basically the unit and trailer and pressure washer have been minimally used, 5 or 6 hours I believe. So it's going to have its oil changed and gas changed out, new battery, all that started, tested, everything here shortly. Today I just finished cleaning everything up real good. And then we got optional things, basically turnkey pressure washing business with cleaning supplies, ladders, everything else. If you have any interest in all that, it's available. Thanks for checking out the listing. Definitely make me an offer if you have any interest at all, or shoot me an email. It's possible I can deliver it in a reasonable radius of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, or that's the pickup location, Murrells, Inlet, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, basically. Thank you.